My name is Sue Stevens, and I'm originally from the Netherlands, from Amsterdam, and I've lived in Singapore for the last 6 years.
Hi, my name is Remko. I'm originally from the Netherlands, from a city called Heerlen, down south in Limburg. We also have our daughter Logan May, who's attending the school. She's 3.5 years old right now, and we've been living together in Singapore now for the last 6.5 years.
Logan started attending the Holland International School in February 2024, and she's loved it since. She started in the playgroup and she moved up to the nurse. And one of the reasons we chose the school is we love the environment. It's very green, it's a really big environment, and we hadn't really heard of it until one of our friends mentioned it. She's a photographer and she's gone around different schools and taken photos, and one of the things that stood out for her at this school is that every member of the staff was included, including all of the uncles and the aunties, and that was something that really spoke to our heart. And core values are very important to us, and we think that was something that showcased the core values that are important at the school.
And adding to the core values, I think part of the philosophy of the school, I think was very attractive for us as well, which is being independence, it's collaboration, it's problem solving. So I think those are really key skills, I think, and foundational skills that are very important, and especially in this day and age when we move into the age of AI, right? These human skills are becoming ever more important.
And since Logan is from a mixed heritage background, we felt it was really important for her to be part of an environment that was incredibly international. So whilst the school has a focus on teaching the Dutch language skills as one of the streams, it certainly isn't just for Dutch children, which was important to us when we made the decision for her to attend the school.
Absolutely, and I think that was a perception we had. We thought it was much more focused on specifically Dutch, but seeing it being that international, it was really attractive for us, and we're really happy seeing that as well.
So we'd really recommend the school. It's a small school, instills a lot of really good life and human skills in children. The environment is lovely, very green, and I think it's an environment that really lets children be children. And focus on academic rigor comes much later in life, which for us was something that we felt very aligned to.
Absolutely, and don't forget, the school is also a lot of fun. I see the kids playing around right now while we are speaking, so it's a lot of fun. And I think the teachers also have the space as well to really focus on the individual children, which is very important too.